Mr. Reuter Plumbing provides quality drain and plumbing services to Broome County and the surrounding areas. We offer 24-hour emergency services and will take care of all your plumbing needs. Our Mr. Reuter plumbers are clean, professional plumbers who are dedicated to your complete satisfaction. We never charge extra for plumbing services performed on nights or weekends, and we always provide a written estimate before the plumbing services are performed. For more information on the services we offer, visit www.mrreuter.com or call 607-772-9837. This video is brought to you by Haynes Local Search, assisting local businesses with online and print advertising solutions. Call us today.